Just check the size of the text. Is it okay? Just check the size of the text appearing on your screen. Is it okay? Oh, great. Okay, guys. So just give me a second. Not. Okay, so what are we going to do? Today, the first topic which we are going to start is that is dealing with missing values in a panda series. Dealing with missing values in a panda series. So first of all, we are going to learn about what is it. So missing values, I told you guys yesterday also that missing values in panda series are represented as NaN. NaN means not a number, means a null value, that it is empty. Null means empty. It is empty. There is nothing inside that value. And that is represented as NaN in Python. Now, they often occur when data is incomplete or unavailable. Now, why do we deal with the missing values? To avoid the errors? Because sometimes, just suppose I am having one data set, and in that data set, in name column only, there every detail, name, contact, address. Let's say I am having this data set over there, name, contact, address. So everything is there. This is complete. In second one, let's say name is missing, but contact and address is given. Contact and address is given, but name is missing. So when you will work on this data set in future, let's say, so this can cause issues for you, na? This missing detail over there can cause issues for you, na? Because contact and address is there, but the name of the person is not given. Whose address or contact is this, right? So many operations at that time in pandas can fail if missing values are present. And to ensure the accuracy, ignoring the, if I will ignore this whole line, this whole row, that can also lead to incorrect analysis or result. What if this is very important for my analysis, for my future output which I need? And to prepare data, cleaning data is essential for analysis and machine learning. And if I will totally ignore it, then also I can have a defected output. But if I will not take it, if I will take it, then also it can create issues for me. So I have to deal with it. I have to clean this out. Either I have to fill this with some value so that I can work with that in the future and I can get the correct future output which we are aiming for. That is why we are going to deal with the missing values to get the correct output. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, everyone? I need responses from each and everyone out there. Okay, great. Now, handling missing data. Now, lists cannot handle missing values effectively, but Panda series uses not a number to represent them. Now, real world example, let's just do it. First of all, I'm going to create a series with the missing values. Give me a second, guys. So how did I created a series with missing values? First of all, as always, I have to import pandas as PD. Then attendance is equals to pd.series. Wherever I want it missing, I am just putting that as none. I am just putting it as none. Or else, what else you guys can do if you want it as empty? What else you guys can put? Can anyone tell? It was in yesterday's homework. It was in the homework, one of the homework questions. And I explained that in the class also yesterday. Can anyone tell me how to take null value? Other than this, what is the way? Tell me, guys. Other than this, there is one more way, na, to take a null value in Python. Tell me, Sudha. Sudha, I remember you asked me that question. Not pd.nan, not pd.nan, sir. PD is pandas. PD is pandas. In pandas, I'm telling you guys, none. I'm asking about the another method which I told you guys yesterday. I want to know about that. Guys, np.nan with the help of NumPy. np.nan with the help of NumPy. Remember? np.nan. Okay? So you guys can use none or you guys can just import NumPy as np and use np.nan. Okay? So here I have got none, none and index I have put it. And this is how my series is looking like. Now, what I am going to do. Now there are two null values over there. And now I know there will be one question that ma'am here though we are taking integer. How it is getting converted into float over here, right? This is known as automatic type conversion in Python. This thing is known as automatic type conversion in Python. To avoid the errors in output, it happens automatically. Integer becomes float, which will be more appropriate to deal with the errors. Okay? And now, step 2, filling the missing values. Now, let's say I want to replace the missing value with a number 75. That is going to be my average attendance. So what I will do, there is a function named as fill NA, just like that. Attendance will new variable attendance because the name of the series is attendance dot fill NA and in bracket just put the number with which you want to fill this out. I want to fill this out with 75. And just print the attendance field, you will get your answer. The missing values will get filled out with 75. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Now there will be a question in someone's mind that, ma'am, what if I want to fill this out with a string, right? That question will also be there in your mind now. So let's just try this out. I'm just making 75 as string now. Yes, you guys can do it with string as well. You guys can fill that out with a string as well. Is this thing clear, everyone? Is fill NA function clear? That is what I showed, na? That is what I showed. 75 is a number, and this 75, it is inside the quote, so it is a string. So different values only I'm filling, na? So Lekha, different values, different data types I'm filling. Yes, you can fill. That is the answer in front of you. Okay, Zulekha, clear? Zulekha, can I have a quick answer, please? Quick acknowledgement, please? Okay, Saraswat. So there will be a feedback form in the group only. If you want, you can just fill that feedback form out. Okay. Thank you. What if what if we add to fill two different values at a time? You want to add two different values at a time, Zulekha? For that, what you can do replace. Yesterday I showed you, na? Yes, I showed you, na, how to replace the values. That you can do. Replacing you can do. Here, this is fill in. Fill in, na, only one number you can give over here. And that only it will fill. And now, okay, fill I have done. But what if I want to remove that particular thing only which is empty? I want to remove that only. So for that, for filling, I am having fill in. Now I want to remove. Remove means drop. So I am having the function named as drop NA. From the attendance, I want to drop. So all of the things which was null got dropped. This is dealing with missing values in pandas. Clear with dealing with missing values, everyone?
Ma'am, can you go little up?
Let me know where I have to stop.
Yes, from here. Missing values. Can you explain again?
This fill in it.
Yeah, this from here.
This fill because there are I am having two missing values now. I want to fill them out. So how can I fill that missing value with some number with any kind of data type with the help of fill any function? So attendance is the name of my series. Just take that dot the function name fill any and inside the brackets whatever value you want to fill. It can be integer, float, string, any data type. Just put that inside the bracket and you will get your answer. It will get filled with that. Okay.
Okay. Can you please yeah, this one.
This is a string. This is a string. I have showed you any number, integer, float you guys can fill, and also data type is not an issue. You can put any other data type as well. So here as a string also I have shown,
But both are number, no? Both.
but it is a string inside quotes.
So
Anything
can
inside quotes in Python is a string.
so we can write the name instead of 75.
Yes. See,
Okay. And suppose I have to fill 75 in Bob and David in 80.
sorry. What did you say?
Suppose if I have to fill Bob with 75 and David with 80.
That is what I have answered Zulekha as well. Fill any function will only take one value.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. If you guys want to do that, I told you guys about the slicing part. I told you guys about the indexing part now. With the help of indexing, you guys can do that then. Okay? Is it clear? I hope Zulekha, Nitesh, you both have got your answers. But how you guys can fill that out with different values. With the help of indexing, you guys can do that. And you guys know how to get the labels. That I have showed you guys in the previous part. Right? Got your answer? How to do that part? Great. Now I would love you guys to try, and if any issues, let me know in the group. I will help you guys out with that. Yes, Samya. We cannot add difference. Okay, so what I was saying, with this guys, our missing values one is completed. After that, here comes sorting a panda series. Now, what is it? Sorting a series rearranges its values either by the data itself or by its labels. Either by the data itself or by its labels. Why do we sort the data? To improve the readability. Easier to understand the sorted data, right? Okay, so let's say I am having the numbers like this. This is one kind of data. This is another kind of data. Which will be easier to understand? First or second? Which will be easier to understand? First or second? First or second? Which will be easier to understand? What about others? For others, which will be better? Oh, shit. Which will be better? Both will do. Okay, right now it is a very small one. What if I am having 100 or 200 numbers at the same time? What if I am having millions of numbers at the same time? Then which one will be better? Sorted one or unsorted one? The sorted one, right? So this is what the first point is saying. It improves readability, easier to understand the sorted data. Find patterns. Quickly identify patterns like the highest and the lowest values. If it is sorted, okay, first one is the lowest value, last one is the highest value. Very quick. Otherwise, if it is unsorted, I have to first of all, okay, where is the highest value? I have to search it from there, na? And it will be prepared for analysis as well. Sorting helps organize the data for the further processing. So this is why we need to sort a Pandas series. Now we are having a real world example sorting student score. Now you have a list of student score and want to sort them to identify the top performers. Let me just get the same list again. This is my list again, guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort it in the values. I want to sort it, let's say, values only, let's sort lowest to highest. Let's do that. So what I have to do, I am having a function named as sort values now. I'm having a function named as sort values. Just put that sort values function with the name of your series, and this will get sorted in the highest to lowest order. Lowest to highest order. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you guys will ask, ma'am, I want descending to ascending. I want highest to lowest now, right? So for that, same code. Same code, just put ascending is equals to false inside the bracket and you guys will get the answer in descending. Clear? Only sorting, if you are using only sort value, then by default you will get the ascending order. If you are putting ascending is equals to false in parentheses, then you will get descending order. Okay, Samya? By default, every time, any kind of sort function you are using in Python, what if there are multiple same numbers? Let's do that also. Deliberately, I will make that. Give me a second, Aswan. Let me just make that thing. How many numbers I have added? 3 now. Okay. Check out the answer. Got your answer as well? Got your answer as well? Any doubts, anyone? Okay, so now guys, I am having one more thing to show you guys how to sort by index. How to sort by index. With values, so we have sorted. But now I want to sort by index as well. How will I do that? So for that, so with values, I was having a function named as sort values. I want to do it by index. Now what will happen? I'm having the name as sort index. You will get your answer. See, with values, sort values function. With index, not index function. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So, Pradip, you can leave the class. Take care, okay? Don't worry, you can just go through the recording. And if there will be any doubts, feel free to WhatsApp me. Any doubts, anyone?
Ma'am, if it is there,
What's the? Take care, Subhadeep. Get well soon. Sudha, you are saying something now? Sudha?
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, index
Oh,
comes automatically, right? When you put it as Alice, boy, names and everything like that, it comes as an index, right?
by alphabetically it is happening now.
Okay, 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 okay. By default, it is coming as a index.
That is index.
Fine, fine.
This we take in series them as an index only. Na? These are index and alphabetically it is happening like dictionary because A comes first in alphabet order. So Elise is coming at first. Then Bob, then Charlie, then David, then E, then J, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Right? Then
Okay,
M for
okay,
Mehak will come. Then R, Rosie will come at the end. Alphabetically it is happening.
okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So one thing is pending. I guess. Just give me a second. Huh? No, this everything you guys have done. Well, just this thing I want you guys to go through. Let me just give you guys that. You guys can take your time and go through that then. Guys, I want you all to please go through this table and let me know if there is any doubts. And with that, we will be done with our part number 4. Please go through this and let me know if any doubts. Guys, done? What about others? Any doubts in the whole part number 3 now? Sorry, part number 4. Any doubts in the whole part number 4? Any doubts, anyone? No doubts? Good. Okay then guys, let's just start with the part number 5. Yes, we're going to learn about pandas data frame. Okay everyone, so in part number 5, what we are going to do, we are going to learn about pandas data frames. Now, in this we are going to learn what is a pandas data frame, how to create a pandas data frame, create a data frame from a dictionary of list, create a data frame from a NumPy array and from a dictionary of series. Now, first of all, tell me, everyone is clear with series, right? Everyone is clear with series. Everyone over here is clear with series now. So now, series is a 1D data. Data frame is a 2D data. If series is a 1D data, data frame is a 2D data. Data frame is like a whole table with rows and columns. With rows and columns, similar to the Excel spreadsheet or a database table. It is one of the most important tools in Pandas for organizing and analyzing the data. Now, why use a data frame? Why use a data frame? Because of organized data. It can hold data in rows and columns, making it easy to understand and work with. It is flexible. It can store different types of data in the same table, like numbers, text, dates, everything. It is very, very powerful for analysis. It provides tools to filter, sort, group, and analyze data efficiently. Okay, tell me one thing, guys. Who have worked on Excel before? Who among you guys have worked on Excel before? How about others? So, basics also, you guys know now that in Excel we are having multiple things. If I am having a Excel one, it can be having the first as name, second one as contact details, third one as address, right? Gender. So multiple kind of different data I can store in one sheet only, right? Multiple kinds of data I can just put inside one only. And also I'm having multiple formulas in Excel with which I can filter out. Like if I will just put control plus F, I'm just giving you guys one example that I can't do it over here. I will tell you how to code. That is already coded over here in Excel. If I will press control plus F, then one find window will get open. Here, find window, which looks something like that. Here, you have to just put that word name. Let's say I want to find out Mehek's detail over there in that. It is having some 100, 200 students. I want to find out the student name as Mehek's detail. I will just put the name Mehek and all the rows where the name Mehek is present, I will get them highlighted, and from there I can just filter out which one whose data I need. Right, guys? Right, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Ma'am,
Correct
can
me
you
if I'm
repeat
wrong,
it?
Pratibha.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Okay, so what I was saying now, so in Excel, what happens? We are having a sheet. We are having a sheet like this. Now it looks, and in that sheet, I can fill out multiple different kinds of data. The first row can be name, second can be address, third can be contact, fourth can be gender, right? Multiple different kinds of data I can put. And in that, I am having multiple tools as well from which I can just filter out the specific thing I want, like Control plus F. Control plus F. If I will just click Control plus F from my keyboard, what will happen? A little box will get appear. That will be a find option box. Here, if I will put, let's say I want to get the details of a student named Mehak. So in that find box, which will appear after clicking Control plus F, I will just put Mehak and search it. All the rows which will be having the name Mehak will get highlighted, and then it will become easier for me now to just get the details of whatever Mehak I want. Am I right or wrong, guys? Tell me.
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I
Yes,
right or
ma'am.
wrong?
Yes. Control F. Yeah.
Yes, right? So just like Excel, we can create the data frames in Python, which can store different types of data, numbers, text, date, anything you guys name, it can store it. And we can do powerful analysis with the help of that, with the help of coding. We can filter, we can sort, we can group, and we can analyze that kind of data over there in Panda. So that is data frames over here. Now, are you all clear that what is data frame? Are you all clear that what is data frame? Others also, please let me know. Great. Now, guys, after that, here comes how to create a data frame. How were we creating series? How were we creating series? How were we creating series, guys? How were we creating series? Tell me. Give me the quick answer.
Ma'am, PD dot series.
Very good, Sudha. And now, same way, how will I create data frame? PD dot data frame. Simple. Where D and F is going to be capital. So, Pandas data frame can be created in various ways, depending on your data source and structure. Now, I will tell you guys from how in different ways, with the help of pd.data frame, I can create the data frames in Python. But before that, just one thing I want to make sure, because in feedback I got that last time. Am I going fast? Am I going fast or the speed is okay? I will show you guys in the code now. Sudha, am I going fast or is it okay? I'm asking something, guys. Perfect. If anyone will feel fast, please let me know in the chat box so that I can adjust. Okay? Okay, so what I was saying, network issues over there on your side. No issues today, so I can understand for the network issues. It's the Sahara now. It can happen. No issues. Okay, so create data frame from a dictionary of list. Now, what is it? A dictionary where keys are the column names and values are the list of data for those columns. Why use it? It is simple and works well when you have small structured data. Now let me just show you guys one list of dictionaries, and I've told you guys that before as well, that how to create. We have done that thing already in the class. Just data frame, I'm telling you how to do. So first of all, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a dictionary. Data is equals to curly braces, which we use to create. I'm taking 3 columns. I'm taking name, salary, and attendance. And in all of them, I'm passing the list. I'm passing five values: name, salaries, and attendance. Now my dictionary is created. After that, what I'm doing, I'm taking one variable pd.dataframe. Data frame D will be capital and F will be capital. D will be capital, F will be capital. And you cannot write it in any other way. It can be written in only this way, not anything else. And just pass data in the parentheses and print it out. Please repeat the explanation of code. Okay, I'm repeating. So first of all, to Soumya, we have done, we have just created a dictionary. Now inside a dictionary, how we create a dictionary? With the help of curly braces. Inside that curly braces, what I'm doing, I'm taking three keys, which will act as column names, which will act as the column. And now if I'm having 3 keys, that means 3 columns I'm having. So in those 3 columns, I need some values as well. So I'm passing the list of values. So I'm passing 5 values in each list of each column. And after creating this dictionary, what I'm doing, I'm just taking one more variable as df pd dot data frame. Data frame is a function whose d and f will be capital, and in the parentheses I'm just passing the variable name in which my dictionary is stored. I'm just printing it, and like this I will get my answer. Now is it clear, guys? Now is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone?
So one data frame function
Mm-hmm.
is creating 0, 1, 2, this serial number automatically, right?
Yeah, same in series also was happening when I was not giving index default.
Okay, default.
I can change it. That is the next point only which I am going to teach. Okay. So now dictionary keys becomes column names, which I have told you, and each list forms a column and the rows are automatically indexed. That is default index. Rows are automatically labeled with numbers starting from 0. This default numeric index uniquely identifies each. But this default index may not provide context or meaning. So we can assign a custom index. Like you can assign a meaningful index such as employee IDs, roll numbers, or other unique identifiers as well. This makes the data frame more intuitive and user-free. Let's say this time I'm having the employee one, na? So I will just put the employee ID. So these are index, na? So and my name of data frame is df. What I will do, df dot index, and just pass the list. 5 are there, 5 employees, so 5 numbers you have to put and just print it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will get changed to the custom index which you are given. Got your answer, Nitesh? Got your answer, Nitesh? Others, any doubts?
Ma'am, so this will form as a column and rows. Basically, it gives a like a 2D picture.
It is 2D only. Data frames is
Yeah.
2D.
Yeah, no, it is giving us a picture, exact pictorial representation of the data.
Yes, yes, yes. So Pradeep, should I scroll down? Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear till this point? Any doubts, please do let me know. Okay. So now, okay, I got this. What if I want to reset it again? What if I want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only? I don't want this E001 and all. So I can reset the index also. What if I did a mistake and I want to reset it again? So for that, I can just revert it back to the default numerical index with the help of reset index method. With the help of reset index method. Thus df dot reset index and drop is equals to true. And you will get the default index back again. Clear, guys? Clear, everyone?
So, ma'am, df dot reset underscore index is a default function, right?
See, sometimes now we can make the mistakes with the index. Okay, I have created the index with the help of dot index function. What if I created a mistake? So I can just reset it back to its default part with the help of reset.
So reset index is default function that we need to
Yes,
type.
yes, yes.
So it will drop the index.
Yeah.
But we are not mentioning any index, exact right index name variable.
Yeah, index name, why do I have to do it? It is going to make it reverted back na, to the default one, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That
Okay.
is default. I don't have to give any kind of specific name to that because it is already default one. Computer already knows.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay. Suppose if there's 2, 3 index
Yeah,
at
it
the
is
top,
basically control plus Z, you can say.
control plus Z. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Nitish, you were saying something, no? I'm so sorry I cut it you between. I was just reading the message in the chat box.
What if there's 2, 3 index and we have to
Mm-hmm.
reset only one?
2, 3 index.
Yes.
Index so will be only one, na, Nitish? How can be
Suppose
there 2, 3 index?
okay. Suppose we have coded 2, 3 indexes like
How? My question is how 2, 3 index?
mm, 2 line of code or 3 line of code with index.
Not getting your point. How something can be 2 or 3 indexes together?
Can you
Only
come up? Can you come up?
okay. Yeah, tell me.
Suppose here is index. Okay, for a single table we have only one index.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
He's asking, give me a second, Hasuda, just give me a second. He's asking if we can change a few values from the index column. That too we can change because on our own only we are giving that. It is a list and list is heterogeneous. You can put any kind of things over there. But that all will be under index function only. Na? That all is just one index of one data frame. If it will get changed, it will all will get changed together. Okay? Yes, Sudha.
so wherever we started, so we have to put it as a PD as pandas, PD and numpy as NP. Then only we have to
Yes,
write all these things, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so now I'm having very, very interesting thing for all of you. What if I do not want any kind of extra index? What if I don't want any kind of extra index? I am having three columns, name, salary, and attendance, and I want name only to become my index also. How will I do that? I can set an existing column as the index. So this will happen with the help of set index function. This will happen with the help of set index function. Bf.setIndex, just put the name of the column you want to put as the index. And you will get the answer like this. See, salary and attendance, these are the two columns. And name is the index now. Name is the index now. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Now, here too I have added index later now. I can also add the index just like CVs while creating only. While creating only I can do. What I have to do, I have just like that, I just have to do that index part over there, just like series. Let me show you guys that code as well. First, create dictionary, feed the data frame data, just with the help of comma, put the index whatever you want. And just like that, you will get your answer. So guys, this is one way how to create pandas data frame, that is with the help of list of dictionaries. I'm sending you guys the link of this collab notebook and let me know if there is any doubts in this particular type of creating a dictionary. Then only I will move forward. I've sent you all the link. Did you all receive it? Go through this, guys. Go through this list of dictionaries part and let me know if there is any doubts. I will clear them out. This one are you talking about, Zuleika? Zuleika? Zuleika, can you please acknowledge yes or no? Then which one? This one? Yes or no? That is set index. What if I don't want any extra kind of index? The whatever columns I am having, in that only I want to make one column as my index. So you set index function. I want name as and in the parentheses just put the name of that particular column you want as index. Okay, Zulekha? Most welcome. Guys, everyone done? Everyone done, guys? Any
Ma'am,
doubt,
ma'am,
anyone?
ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, actually what we did on a third or fourth week, we did one of the thing, right, for the bank accounts. We have different accounts and we can put different names and we can rechange it. Everything we will do with the same Panda, right?
Yes, yes.
So we don't have to go through that long procedure of writing that code.
What did I told you guys? When libraries will come, your work will become easier. You just have to learn multiple functions.
Yes, yes, yes. It's easier, ma'am. It's very, very easy to follow it.
But you have to remember multiple things,
That we have to
right?
go through it again and again. Yeah. Ma'am, here you
Yeah.
put that as import pandas PD, but we don't put it as a import numpy as NP.
Yeah, NumPy because I don't need over here. I'm
Okay.
not using NumPy anymore.
Okay.
Whenever I will be needing NumPy, I will import that as well. Right now,
Okay.
I'm not.
Whenever we need number only, right?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
whenever I need a NumPy function also, like array.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that was list of dictionaries. After that, I am having NumPy array. So here I will be needing NumPy also. Okay. Just give me a second now. Okay, so what I was saying, create a data frame from a NumPy array. Now, what is it? 2D NumPy array where rows and columns represent the data. So everyone knows how to create a 2D NumPy array. Everyone knows how to create a 2D NumPy array. Guys, everyone knows how to create a 2D NumPy array. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Numpy dot array colon.
Yeah. Colin, I'll show you again. Useful when working with numerical data or when transitioning from the NumPy to Panda. So let me just show you guys the example. First of all, though, with the help of NumPy, create a 2D array, np.array, 2D array. Okay, so in that, now tell me how many rows and how many columns in this particular array. Tell me how many rows and how many columns. How many rows, how many columns?
3 and 3.
Very good. Very good. And now I want to convert it. Now I want to convert it. So I want to give the column names also, and I need the index also. Yeah, give me a second. I want column name also, and I want index also, right? So scores, numpy array, just put that over here. Columns, 3 columns, just put the columns name, whatever you want. And index, whatever you want in the form of a list. You will get your answer. Clear, guys? Easy, right? Easy now?
Ma'am, can we write a row in place of
Can
index?
we write what? Can we write what?
Row in place of index.
Like this, you are saying?
Yes.
It will be rows, first of all. No, you can't.
Okay.
Okay, so what I was saying, the next part we are having is dictionary of series. We are going to create a data frame from dictionary of series. Okay, let me just repeat it once again. So this is a numpy array, 3 rows, 3 columns. Now, if I am having 3 rows, 3 columns, I want 3 column names also. And it is a data frame, so I need 3 index names also, right? So pd dot data frame, what you want to convert? Name of that. Columns, put the names in the list. Index, put the names in the list. Just run it and you will get your answer. Okay, Sudha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it. Got it.
And I'm saying it again. If you guys feel I'm going fast, please do let me know, because if I'm in my own pace, I will not get to know that I'm going fast. Okay? That is why I'm
Ma'am.
asking again and again.
No, ma'am,
Yes.
it is fine. So just we have a doubt. So I just asked. That is fine.
No, that is not an issue with me. You guys ask me the doubt anytime. But sometimes what happens, I'm asking in the class if there is any doubts, you guys don't say anything. But in the feedback form, I'm saying something different only. So that is why I'm being a little cautious this time. Okay? If you guys will not tell me, I will not get to know that I'm going fast. That is what my question, that is what my concern is this time. I hope you guys understand this point. And if I'm going fast, if you guys feel it is fast for you, do let me know in the chat box. Okay, guys, so now we will move forward. Now we will learn about from a dictionary of series. Now, dictionary is back again, but this time not a dictionary of list, dictionary of series. How to create a dictionary of series now? Very simple. Instead of list, just put pd.series, pd.series, inside the bracket, just put the list. Same over here and here too. Inside a dictionary, just after this column name, colon, put pd.series. Inside the parenthesis, pass the list whatever values you want in that series. This is how you can create a dictionary of series. First, tell me, this dictionary of series is clear? This dictionary of series is clear? This dictionary of series is clear? What about others? Great. Now create a data frame, pd.data frame data. Same thing again. And here is your answer. And here is your answer. Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Okay, that's great, guys. So now this is the last thing. I want you all to please go through this part, and with that, our part number 5 is also completed. Please go through this paragraph which I have highlighted. Done, everyone? Are you guys done? Okay, guys. So with that, our part number 5 is also completed. Now tell me if there is any doubts in any of the topics of part number 5.
Ma'am, this data frame is only for 2D, right? Not for a multi-dimensional. This will not suit for multi-dimensional, right?
Yes, that is a 2D only. Okay, so let me just do one thing. I will just add the homework part over there only. You guys can go through that homework part later and send to us in the chat in your WhatsApp group. And now, what we will do now, guys, just give me a second. Here is the here is the homework. I have added it over here. And now the time is 9:15. You guys can have your break. You guys can take the break of 10 to 15 minutes. And after that break, what we will do, we will just check out the challenge for this week. And with that challenge, our whole week number 9 will get completed. Okay, guys? And if you guys want, I'm sharing this link also with you guys in chat box. If you guys want, you guys can also go through the homework questions. And after break, we will just do the challenge together and I will give you guys a post quiz. Just those two things are pending. Okay, everyone? Now I'm giving you guys a break. It is 9:16. You guys can have your break till 9:30. Okay? You guys can have your break till 9:30. At exact 9:31, I will start the session again. Now I will be on mute and you guys can have your break. Guys, break over. Guys, breaks over. Are you guys there? Is everyone here? Break over, guys. Come on. Guys, are you there? Great. So guys, I'm doing your work easier. I am just adding the solution also over there of the homework, okay? I'm adding the solution file as well over there. And now guys, it's time for the part number 6. It's time for the part number 6, that is analyzing product revenue, contribution, the challenge, and the post. So first of all, guys, here comes the challenge, analyzing products revenue contribution. So the problem statement which we are going to deal with is this. You are tasked with analyzing the revenue data of a store that sells 4 types of products. Shoes, shirts, jackets, and bags. The management wants to gain insights into the performance of these products to make data-driven decisions for optimizing sales and promotions. The following details are provided. So, products, shoes, shirts, jackets, and bags. Revenue, the total revenue in INR generated by each product. Shoes, 50,000, shirts, 30,000, jackets, 70,000, and bags, 20,000. Now, the management expects the following insights. First one, calculate the total revenue generated by all products. Then determine the percentage contribution of each product to the total revenue. Okay. Then identify the high revenue products contributing more than 25% of the total revenue. Okay. Then sort the products by revenue in descending order to rank their performance. Then apply a 10% discount to the revenue of each product and calculate the discounted revenue. And at the end, you have to compile all the above insights into a tabular format to represent the summary of the analysis. So all of this you have to do with the help of pandas. All these 6 points. You have to ensure you print each output with appropriate spacing for readability. This is what our challenge is. So first, before I share the solution with you guys tell me, are you all clear? Are you all clear with the challenge?
Ma'am, shall we try once before giving the solution?
Okay, let me just ask others also if they want to try.
No, not in collab, just by oral, that's it. So what we have to do
Just by
first,
oral?
like just try, right?
Okay, that we can do. Okay, first point, what you guys can do.
So first we have to prepare a series. So first is
Yes.
the products, and second one is the index revenue, right?
Okay.
The second
Second
one is
part?
what is that?
Second part, yes, tell me.
Yeah, second part is going to be the sum of the product and the revenue. Sum product plus revenue. That means PD series. PD series sum of product plus revenue. First one.
Okay. Third, how will you get the percentage?
So we have to put a formula. That means so sum equal to 100, and this for example, the index of number 1 shoes equal to total divided by that into 100.
Okay. Fourth,
Then sort the products by the revenue in a descending order to rank their performance. So we put that as a PD series, whatever it is, we wrote it, and we have to put that ascending equal to false in the last.
Mm-hmm. And after that, step 5.
So 5 is apply 10% discount to the revenue of each product and calculate the discounted revenue. So PD dot series in brackets. I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, Sudha. Anyone else wants to try? Anyone else wants to try? No one. Should I give the solution only? For that, only tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Subhadeep, I just asked if anyone wants to try orally that how to solve the solution. Nothing else. I didn't ask any question. And so the nice try.
Ma'am, in the last one, it's going to be PD dot series, PD dot data frame
Yes.
in brackets course.
Yeah. So I would say nice try. You are partially correct, and now where you were not correct, you will get to know with the solution. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll go through it. Yeah.
Partially you were correct. That was a really nice try. So here is a solution. So first of all, we have to import pandas as PD because on that only I'm working. Then step number 1, yes, I have to create a panda series for the product revenue. So I'm taking the product revenue PD.series 50,000, 30,000, 70,000, 20,000 with their index. That 50,000 is for shoes, 30,000 is for shirts, 70,000 is for jackets, and 20,000 is for bags. And then I am just printing that out. This is my first step. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in my first step? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, second part, it is telling me to get the total revenue. Now, total revenue I will get with the help of some function. Just put revenue dot sum. You will get the total revenue. Right? Now, third part is saying percentage contribution of each product. Now, do you guys remember how we used to find out the percentage of our marks in classes? How much percentage I have gained from in my final exam and all? You remember how we used to find out that percentage?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like out of 600, if I have scored 590, what percentage I have scored? So if 590 out of 600, so 590, the marks I have obtained, divide by the total, that was 600, multiply by 100. If I will solve this, I will get the percentage. I will get the percentage what I have scored in my exams. So similarly, revenue, divide by the total revenue, multiply by 100, you will get the percentage of each product from the whole, 100%. And then just print it. Clear with step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. Any doubts?
Ma'am,
Any doubts, anyone?
why we are adding 2/n, ma'am? First, we are putting that. So we want a space to give that print, right? Why we are putting in the last also, we are giving one space, right?
Where?
No, ma'am. In every step, we are giving that revenue /n, revenue, total
Because,
revenue / There are 2n coming, right?
give me a second, I'm showing you the product revenue /n. If I will give slash and then only my answer will come in the next line. No?
Oh, yeah. Okay. That means you are giving a space for next one. Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay, so what I was saying afterwards, step 4. Now step 4 is identify the high revenue product. Their threshold we are giving. What threshold we had? 25%. So what percentage contribution more than 25%? That will be your high revenue product. You were saying something, Sudha?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay. And in step number 5, sort product by the revenue in descending order. With the help of sort values function, ascending is equals to false, you will get the descending order. And at the end, apply a custom function to calculate the 10% discounted revenue. How will you do that? Discounted revenue is equals to revenue dot apply function. Inside apply, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a lambda function that x multiplies 0.9 because I want to calculate it as 10% now. So 90% value I want 10% will get deducted discount. So 90% only I want, so I will just multiply with 0.9, that will be 90%. Any doubts till step number 6?
Ma'am, that lambda, can you explain this? I couldn't understand that lambda x.
Lambda is the keyword, and we have done that in our classes before. When we do not want to write down a big function, we can just write down a function in a single line with the help of lambda. X is going to what we said, what that word is called, is going to indicate each and every revenue part, and that x, what kind of function I want to apply. I want the 90% part of the revenue, right? So x multiply by 0.9.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
And at the end, I just want the data frame. Data is equals to pd dot data frame. With the help of dictionary, I will do revenue. Inside revenue variable, everything is present. Percent distribution. Inside percent contribution, everything is present. Discounted revenue. And just print it out, you will get your answer. Now, let me do one thing. I will just share this notebook with all of you. In this also, the same solution is given. Okay, did you all receive the notebook, guys? Did you all receive the notebook which I have sent? Guys, please go through this and let me know if there is any doubts in the challenge part. Please go through this and let me know.
Ma'am, this lambda x, right? So x argument will be the total revenue or each revenue?
No, list na. Inside this, so I'm passing a list only.
Okay, it will take this list. So 0.9 into 50,000, 0.9 into 30,000 separately, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so Pradeep, take care. Get well soon.
Ma'am, is there any way we can put it in a different way for 10% addition, ma'am, there? How we can apply that revenue dot apply 10% instead of lambda?
Just create a def function instead of lambda.
Which function?
Use a define function with the help of def.
Okay, fine.
There you can do your coding, and then the name of that function, whatever you will take, just put that inside apply.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Let me know once done, okay? Yes, yes, Sudha. Everyone done? Everyone done? I'm asking something. Guys,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
any doubts?
No, ma'am. So far, good, ma'am.
What about others? Any doubts, anyone? Guys, at least give me a response as yes or no, na? Last part is remaining. Take your time, Zulekha. Take your time. Till then, I will just grab your post quiz link. Zulekha done? Zulekha? Zulekha, I'm asking something. Are you done? Oh, she left the session. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sending you all the post quiz link now. Did you all receive the post quiz link? Did you all receive the post quiz link, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then please perform your post quiz and let me know once done. Let me know the marks once done, okay? I will be on mute. Okay, I'm sending the feedback form also. Give me a second. I've already sent in your WhatsApp group. Guys, I've sent you all the feedback form also. You guys can just fill that out and let me know once done. Okay, I'm just stop sharing my screen. Complete the feedback form as well, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna. Most welcome, most welcome, Samya. Good night, Sai. Good night, Jadid. Thank you, Sneha. Thanks, Sudha. Most welcome. Good night, Sneha. Good night, Sudha. Good night, Navya. Thank you. See you on Saturday, Sudha. Okay, everyone. So now I'm ending the session and we will meet on Saturday now with our week number 10. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.